Once, can you wait? Okay, now you may begin.
A doctor is a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill.
Doctor identifies
Sandeep.
different diseases in human and treats them. Viru,
They help people to lead a healthy life.
Doctor saves lives, but their importance goes far beyond that. Doctor also make a difference by helping patients minimize pain, recover from a disease faster, to learn to live with a disabling injury.
they help people to live a happy life and prescribe medicine to the patients.
Um, this is usually a 5.5 year course that will conclude with a year of internship and is compulsory.
Qualification for MMBS or MD minimum qualification 50% in grade 12 science biology as the main subject, or MBBS duration 4.5 year of student and 1 year of internship, or 3 year basic subject basic medical science clinic science.
Main subject or MBBS duration 4.5 years of studies and 1 year of internship, or 3 years basic subject basic medicine science, clinical science, medical aesthetics.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Sir, you are in mute.
Okay, very good. Like even if they have, I feel like they were reading to some extent from the book. That's fine because it's not that we have to always go too much out of the book and minimum forget even what is in the book. Okay, because all topics we cannot do in-depth research because we need to at least minimum understand the book first, and then only go beyond if our level is enough. Or we are very quick learner and fast learner, then I think we should go beyond the text once we can manage time for the whole course. Okay, so what they have read is also good because sometimes the classes also go the same way, reading itself in some ways during my time, reading and explanation, but rather than me reading, students reading is also fine. Okay, now based on this, go to page number 6. Let's just clarify this after the presentation immediately. So when they presented this from their presentation, do you have any questions so far? If not, I'll start clarifying remaining things after some time. Any of you, like if you ask good question, that means you're listening actively also, and you'll be given little extra credit for asking very good questions based on what they presented. Okay, not other questions, at least what they presented they have to be sure that they understand and only present. Okay, any questions? So make sure you have these things in mind, that based on what they presented, don't ask them beyond that. Okay, because they have not prepared beyond that, it will just waste their time and our time. But at least what they presented they have to understand and only present. And okay, any questions for them based on what they presented? You can show the slide once again. Just show it, but don't explain, so that they can just see what to ask from there. And if they don't understand, all of you, please turn on your camera. Okay, based on here, whatever they have presented and told so far, any questions? Okay, so you already know about doctor. Do you have any question regarding doctor? Look at your book, page number 6. Is there any term that you don't understand? All of you. First, what you don't understand, then I'll start asking after you. Okay. I know you will not be able to ask a question, but let's be good inquirers. Okay, inquirers means to ask questions as well. But asking question when the teacher is teaching in the middle, interruption is also not entertained in the middle. Like, but you have to just wait for your turn and ask very good questions. Let's be inquirers as well. Okay, and inquire, ask questions. Okay, Subi, any questions?
Sir, me?
Yeah, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you can see based on what the doctors are doing, they're just identifying different diseases in human, like whatever normally, like you have after MBBS, they are normally physicians. Okay, we will be generally checking up most of the body diseases. Okay, and then accordingly they'll be prescribing medicines to the patients. So that's mainly what MBBS doctors do. So MBBS doctors course is 4.5 years of study. After plus two, and they have 4.5 years of study and 1 year internship, and then they are normally of MBBS doctor level. They'll be doing general checkup, and after that they still have a more course after MBBS MD. That's 3 years. That's more specialization into the topic. So when they specialize more, that means it's little better like ophthalmologist itself. Example. So that is what is a doctor about. And you can see the subject matters are written there: basic medical science, so relating to medical clinical science and medical ethics. So this type of topics will be integrated in their course when they study MBBS. Okay, so is that clear? Okay, next group. Prasiddha, Riha, Abraz, and Naman, please turn on your camera. Suvi, what happened again? Camera. Okay, next group. Let's present it. Next, which group is ready to present? Any other groups? Norman, can you sit little straight? Or camera, make it little straight. Okay, so we have finished with pharmacist and doctor so far. Okay, let's go to the next topic, ophthalmologist. If you have not presented, I hope you are going to be ready with the presentation by next class. We'll just continue with this topic for now. Okay, ophthalmologists, we can't keep on waiting for them. Ophthalmologists, like I told, like they are the ones who are going to. Prasanna, what are you going to present that?
Sir,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, we are ready.
Then why didn't you guys start immediately? Our time is just going by me
No,
asking.
sir, I had my trouble.
Yeah, okay. Now can you present that then?
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. Even if you don't present that, I will of course continue with the topics immediately. And I told you not too much. Okay. How much is the curriculum in the course is enough for now? In all topics, if you go in depth, we will not finish the course on time. It will be a headache for you only.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your entire screen.
So,
Okay. Yes.
ophthalmologists are the people who help to cure our eyes. They help people like they are the one yeah, who are specially trained to provide the full spectrum of eye care. And like there are many things that they prescribe to us, like glasses, contact lenses, and for many people, like they have eye disease, so they cure them through any operations or anything. So one of the most famous ophthalmologists is Sandukuru, who is also known as the god of eyesight. And Dr. Patricia Bath or something is the first female ophthalmologist. So they treat all kinds of eye diseases. They perform eye surgery and prescribe glasses, contact lenses, and they care like to give us a correct vision. Like many people, they can't see anything without glasses. Like I can't. It's blurry if you don't have glasses. So there are many hospitals like where you go and check those, and some of eye diseases and disorders are cured by ophthalmologists, and some of the things used are contact lenses. Uh, that's different. And some diseases are corneal disease, dry eye disease, and others. Thank you, sir. Sir, hello.
Okay, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's rewind that based on, you can be presenting that on the screen. Do you have any question regarding what he has presented?
No, sir.
Just be showing that screen so that if they have any questions still they can ask and we can try to elaborate. I know some things are little extra than the book. Just going little extra than the book is good as long as it is within the objectives. Okay, just make sure we always fit with the objectives and what are the questions that we have kept. So ophthalmologist, like I told, after doing their MBBS, then there's again special degree, MD. So when you do that MD for 3 years, then they can become ophthalmologist. First, they have to do MBBS. Only after that, specialization will be ophthalmologist. There are others like surgeon to everything. They have to specialize. Normal MBBS is just a normal physician who's just going to do the general checkup. And for more into that specialization, they have to do MD of that related field. Okay, like yeah, like one of my friend, first he had done MBBS, then relating to surgeon he did MD. Okay, and he among his team, like they were the ones like totally joining the hands which was caught itself among the young doctors a long time before 3 years or 4 years. Okay, among the young team, like the hands totally caught also, like joining all the nerves to everything, right? So he had also planned. Same way most of your parents are also into that specialization as well, I think. Okay, so it needs specialization after MBBS as well. Okay, now it's all relating to checkup of the eyes and checking all those like Prasanna told. Okay, so if there's any deficiency or abnormalities, whether it be like farsightedness or short-sightedness, myopia, okay, all these different thing, whether how much all those look like general checkup. Okay, little more into detail also can be done by those. So it's only relating to eye checkup. So anything regarding the blindness, so everything they'll be studying about optics and the things relating to eye, maybe the measurement, calculation to everything. Although there's a different mathematicians or just doing specialization in PhD in just optics, although they're not totally into medical field, is to calculate everything. Okay, so that's regarding ophthalmologist. Is that clear? Any questions in ophthalmologist? Okay, now next, dentist. Prasanna, and you also please send that file in Google Classroom, okay?
Okay, sir.
Those who helped you and those give them the copy if they have helped you. Another group, dentist. Okay, nurse. Whichever group goes first, we want to finish. Okay, that, rather than waiting for the person, the so as to continue. We cannot keep waiting. Whose group was in the nurse and dentist? Okay, dentist. Okay, regarding dentist, since they're taking much time, I told you like the ones who do quickly or itself they'll get good grades. Others it will be difficult to give. So dentist is relating to the eye, not eye, teeth, tooth. Okay. So it's a branch of medicine that is totally relating to the dental areas, oral cavity. Oral cavity really is related. Oral means relating to the mouth. wherever you see this word called oral, it means it's connected with the mouth. So regarding oral cavity, all these things are checked by the dentist. So they will try to treat disease and other conditions relating to the oral cavity, teeth to different aspect of the mouth. So like you can see, that's also very good scope with the, because like you can see the expenses of dentist when you have to go and check up also, it's little expensive also to some extent. Okay, or maybe because the course is also expensive and the materials are expensive when they have to replace anything. Okay, so they are there to diagnose most of the oral diseases of the mouth, anything problem with the teeth, tooth. Okay, so and to make sure they help in the prevention, like giving you advices and suggestions to the dentist relating to the tooth, how to take care of that, to any problem, and they see if the growth is good or not itself from like maybe childhood. Okay, from the development of tooth to everything, they can be doing a checkup of that itself, like how is the development going on, like fixing any of the tooth areas. So that's all done by the dentist. And go to next page number 8. You can see the qualification itself written there. Diploma, first they can do a diploma. Diploma is immediately after SEE. Okay, immediately after SEE, it's like diploma in dental science that they have to study for 3 years. Then they become a dentist. A little little senior to that in academic qualification is Bachelor of Dental Surgery. After diploma, they can do Bachelor of Dental Surgery. If you have done +2 science also, they will be taking you itself directly in Bachelor of Dental Surgery, or if you have done diploma also, they'll be taking you. Okay, from any, like I had done my ISC from St. Xavier's College, okay, intermediate in science. And then immediately after that, like one of my friend was preferring me, maybe you can take that, but I went into different field. Okay, so that means you can take directly after +2. I'm just trying to give example. Okay, saying it is after +2, just trying to connect with myself and yourself as well. So after 12, minimum 50%, and then you can study dentistry, and that's 4.5 years of study and 1 year of internship. So that's how you can become a dentist. And few of my friends of the same batch were also a dentist, 2 or 3 of them I remember. Okay, of the same batch, whom we studied together in the college. Okay, and so in that subject matter, you'll be studying about anatomy of head and neck, oral environment, dental tissue, nutrition. So it's relating to mainly so since it has connection with the head and then neck things as well, so those type of topics surrounding to that, oral environment and dental tissue and nutrition will be the topics covered under dentistry. So what does that exactly study? Like if you say anatomy of head and neck, to some extent you'll be studying that in not botany, right now in biology in grade 8. Little, just not so much in detail, just a concept, ABCD of that. Okay, so just think it is going to be connected over there. And dental tissue to everything which is mainly concerned with your biology portion for now. Which doesn't mean that only you'll do well in biology if you want to be that, because minimum you have to get certain grade in science to go for good colleges. Okay, to get yourself admitted to good colleges, there are criteria. Like St. Joseph's College itself says normally 280 in all 4 major subjects during my time. So normally it has to be minimum around 70 to 75 in each subject, major subject, math, science, English, and what is that? Optional math. Yeah, they were requiring optional math as well. Okay. Okay, right now I already followed because it's been already long years, and other colleges also same. We might keep criteria when it's a good college. They might have a lot of selection, so it goes into the competition. If it's like a good college and little cheap. If it's expensive, the demand itself goes down when the expense is too high, because people can't afford, although the teachers might be good over there. Okay, now next let's go to the next topic, nurse. Okay, same in nursing, you can see nursing is one of the major areas of medical science. Can you go to page number 8? nurse. So I will just explain that right now, since your friends have not come up with the presentation. Let me just summarize that so you get the concept of nursing as well. Same way, like in nursing, they can do that nursing also immediately after SEE. Immediately after SE, that is staff nurse. Okay, and after staff nurse, they are going to have a bachelor's degree, BN, bachelor's in nursing. But you can see more or less the staff nurse scope can be seen in the market, I think, than ANM. Normally, most of them are taking are maybe moreover staff nurse, or even if they have did some schooling from private schooling to good schools, than ANM, I think, because that has more scope. And then you can see in staff nurse, that duration is also 3 years. And on ANM is different, which is relating to mainly midwife type of related things, relating to delivery, all these things during that time. Okay, supporting maybe gynecologist. Gynecologist is also different specialization after MBBS. Okay, relating to female, which is not here. So nursing, it's also like is mainly is to take care of the individuals, families, maybe in community also. Like if they go to Australia, maybe they're looking after the personal adult people at home also. It's part of that itself. Like in Nepal's hospital, they're working more or less supporting the hospitals, doctors, to all those taking care of the patients, okay, making sure they're taking the medicine on time and giving them all those different cares, checking the normal like blood pressures to fever, all these things. So is more or less like a support. And they also need a lot of knowledge about those medicines, what they need to take, because whatever is prescribed by the doctor, they also need to be sure before giving as well, although it's normally prescribed by the doctors as well, because you always see doctors coming in around to do the checkup and then prescribing, and nurses are there also working out based on their level. So everything is not for the doctors. Most of the things can be decentralized to the nurses as well, because based on their experience and knowledge. So helping the women in the pregnancy and post-pregnancy stage, okay, pregnancy exactly during the pregnancy time, and later post-pregnancy means after pregnancy, all taking care, nurse, and then similarly patients to take medicines. Okay, so that's what the nursing profession is about. So you can see the types of nurses. First one is ANM and second one is staff nurse. I already told you, and most preference is maybe normally for staff nurse these days, then ANM also. Okay, but that they also have the scope, I think. But just talking about the recent time, right now in Nepal, if you see when there is too much nurse, then all of them won't get job in the hospital. When there are too many doctors, even the doctors won't get, I told, yes or no? If there are too many doctors also, but only if based on demand, what is the demand in the market. If not, if they go to private hospitals, the private hospitals are also not paying so good salary at first, or neither they will get job on time at all even. Okay, and when there are too many, then there is a lot of competition to go into that field as well. So ANM is also relating to assistant nursing midwife I told, relating to pregnancy related matters, supporting during that time, and staff nurse as well. And staff nurse are also registered nurse. Okay, same type of work. They are also helping for patient care and recovery. Okay, is that clear about nurse as well? Okay, any question? Okay, you'll be getting question based on page number 20. I'll write that in the Google Classroom. I don't want to take too much time now. Okay, page number 20, medical profession. I'll be writing the questions on the in the Google Classroom. To the time, just went by asking which group is ready. Okay, thank you so much. If you need any revision, I will do in next class immediate quick revision for that topic. Is that clear? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Love you,
thank you.
sir.
Yeah, welcome.